In Arizona this morning, 2 men are recovering after being struck by lightning. It started with a hike up Humphreys Peak, the highest point in the state. Mason Carroll has more on the rescue efforts and the warning from meteorologists about lightning dangers.
After getting struck by lightning and waiting for search and rescue crews, this Flagstaff man was reunited with his wife at Snow Bowl. He was one of 2 men struck while hiking near Humphreys Peak. The call came in after 11 this morning. According to search and rescue members, when the men were struck, one of their phones flew about 30 yards away, but thankfully they were able to call for help with the other one. The first man who made it down was mobile and was able to meet up with search and rescue on the mountain. The other man was not mobile, and search and rescue spent the afternoon and evening working to bring him down the mountain. National Weather Service meteorologist Brian Bernhardt says Humphreys Peak is not the place to hike during a storm because there are no protective trees at the top.
It's up at 12,600 feet, and the tree line is probably right at about 11,500 to 11,800. And if you're in a cover of trees, lightning usually likes to go for the highest object, not always, but usually. And when you're up on Humphreys, you are the highest object. So the lightning, unfortunately, is going to potentially aim for you.
He says when thunder roars, go indoors. The best offense against lightning is defense, as in check the weather before you even head out the door.